What is your checkout time? I have a flight at 7 p.m. this evening.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jones. Our standard checkout time is 2 p.m.
Would you be able to give me a late checkout till 5 p.m.?
Allow me a moment, sir. Just let me check on the possibility. Jay, have you checked the logbook and the house count for the day as you came in on your shift?
Yes, just as you instructed me a few days back.
Very good. We have some VIP arrival this morning. We have 5 departures in our shift. So make sure we are planned with the bills for all these guests.
What is your checkout time? I have a flight at 7 p.m. this evening.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jones. Our standard checkout time is 2 p.m.
Would you be able to give me a late checkout till 5 p.m.?
Allow me a moment, sir. Just let me check on the possibility. Mr. Jones, we can offer you a late checkout today. However, there will be a half-day charge. May I extend your reservation?
All right, go ahead. I also need a car to the airport at 5 p.m.
Thank you for your confirmation, sir. May I request you for your key card, so that I can extend the time?
Here it is.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. I have extended your key card till 5 p.m. Also, I will have the car ready for the airport drop.
Thank you.
Is there anything else I may assist you with?
No, thank you.
So when I read the logbook in the morning, I knew there were some late arrivals. So, I extended the late checkout option to the guest.
Yes, another reason to plan the day. But if you did not offer the room, won't the guest be disappointed?
At the front office, you will have to handle all sort of situation. Some guest may want a free late checkout. Some guest will sit in the lobby after they check out. All these situations are possible. We have to read the guest and look for cues.
Okay, we have to watch for guest cues and change our response accordingly.
I also took the guest key and reprogrammed it, so that the key will work till departure. When you extend a stay, it is very important to extend the key.
What would you do if you have to deny the request? What if we are completely sold out?
If we are not able to extend the late checkout request, we need to provide solutions. You can offer alternatives, like keeping the luggage in the left luggage room, or use of the lounge till checkout. You have to handle each late checkout request, based on the situation at that moment. Best is to be prepared for the day.
Well, front office involves handling many situations. If you liked the video, do subscribe to the channel and keep learning along with me.
And on clarifiedbetter.com, we do have many other courses. Go and check out the courses available to you if you sign up and register for a membership. The link is in the description box below.
Take care and see you tomorrow.